Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. Today we'll be looking at raster analysis, and to begin this video we're going to start with clipping a raster. So we're going to be learning how to clip this raster. We have the map of the administrative shapefile of Chanchanga local government in Niger State, and we have the SRTM of this Niger State. Now we want to clip it to fit the extent that we have, just the way the shape you see it like that. So that's what we want to be doing, and to do that the tool we are going to use is called a clip raster tool. So to get that tool out, we just go to analysis and we go to tools. Now when the tool come out, you search for clip, and once you search for clip, you'll see this one come out, clip raster. So it's a cut out a portion of a raster data set. So I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to bring in my input, that's the raster, and I'm going to bring my extent, which is the area. The input is what you want, that's the raster you want to cut. The extent is where you want the cut to reach, which we have this. And then I'm just going to leave this one like that, because most of the thing I've realized with raster files, most of the times, I don't know if you've experienced that, but most of the times when you change it to your location that you want, most of the times it tends to have one or two issues. Now to remedy that, most of the times you just, when you bring in your file, you just set the environment to your default database. Alright, so that is why ArcGIS Pro has solved most of this problem by just creating a place for you, like your output database. It has created it for you to put your file. When you create a project, it creates a place for you to be saving your file as your more like your default geodatabase, which is a good thing. So I'm just going to click on use input feature for clipping geometry, and if the two data are not having the same coordinate system, you just leave it like this, JJL. Because if you choose that it should take the form of study area, which is the shapefile, it's not really going to give you result, because the SRTM has not been projected, is still in WGS 1984. So when you do that, it's going to have that. So you leave every other thing the way they are, except you want to change maybe where you want it to be saved and all of that. So you can easily do that, but leave everything the way they are, because it's already telling you to build pyramids and all of that. So you leave every other thing the way they are, and then you click on run. So once the process is done, you will see this tick sign telling you that it has been done. So if I uncheck this and then uncheck the study, you will see that I have my Chanchanga local government extracted, just the SRTM of the DEM of the Chanchanga local government. So you can easily now right click on this and export this to the desired folder, as easy as that, then so that you can have a better name for it. Right, so this brings us to the end of this video. Don't go anywhere, keep watching Elite Geospatial, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.